Everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Dana. Today I was organizing some of my hair products and I found some things that I just haven't used or have gone bad that I need to get rid of. I think it was like last year I did like a big declutter of my whole collection, so if you haven't seen that, I will link it. But let's get into what I am decluttering today. So the first two products I have here are by Fanola. They are part of the NutriCare line. This is the shampoo and conditioner. Fanola did send me a huge package of stuff. I really like their blue shampoo. That's really nice. These two products, not so much. I went to go try these about like 2 weeks after I got them, and I opened the shampoo and it smelled rancid, like rancid milk. So I'm like, what is in here? And then I see that it is made with milk protein. So I'm like, that must be what it is. I don't know. So these honestly didn't even make it to my hair. Smelling it now, I don't know why it smells like something else. Like I can't imagine a memory being attached to the smell of like rancid milk, but weird. I hope that these are expired for some reason, and normally the products don't smell like this, but if so, like how did this make it onto shelves? Another product that somehow slipped through my last declutter, this is the Marc Refreshing Coconut Clear Dry Conditioner. I think I was intrigued by this, and then I went to go use it, and it feels like an aerosol spray, so I'm not really sure. Also, why do you need a dry conditioner? Isn't that like an oil spray or even like an oil? I don't know. There are so many other products that I would reach for before this one, and to be honest, it feels more drying than it does hydrating because it has that like aerosol type spray. I feel like there's some sort of alcohol in here. I don't really get the point of it, so this is not something that I'm hanging on to. Another product that made it through my last declutter but is not making the cut this time is the Love Your Curls all-in-one product for wavy hair. I really like the shampoo and conditioner from this line. I wanted to hang on to this to give it a shot, but I just have so many other products that I like and reach for. I'm honestly just too lazy to like work with this product or to figure out how to get it to work for me because I have so many other things that I would reach for over this. So I'm going to pass this along to somebody else. I don't think it's a bad product, I just don't love it for my hair. In a similar vein, I'm going to also be passing along these Bumble and Bumble BB Curl products. So I have the moisturizing shampoo, the 3-in-1 conditioner, and the curl reactivator. These are probably some of the first, trying to think. No, I think this was like one of the first curly brands that sent me products, and was it this line or was it the hairdresser's like invisible oil line? I didn't love this range when they sent it to me years ago. I think I don't know if it was a reformulation of these products, but they added another one, which I am going to hold on to because I haven't tried that out yet. But I did attempt these products again. Like I said, they're not bad. I know a lot of people actually really like these BB curl products, but to me, they leave a heavier feeling on my hair. I just don't like to feel product in my hair. Almost, I don't want to say waxy, but like bordering on waxy. When I use products that sit a little bit heavier on my hair, that's when my hair gets really tangled and I get a lot of knots. I'm gonna see if someone else will enjoy these products more than I do. Next up, the Sunbum Conditioner. So I actually really love Sunbum hair products, and this is almost empty. It's like about to here, so I definitely used it, but I'm not someone who really uses normal conditioners. If I'm going to wash my hair, I do like to deep condition. So I just kind of never finished this up and I let it sit, and it smells a little funny now. So I'm going to toss this. But overall, it is a really nice conditioner. I have two products here from the Main Choice. This, I think, made it through my last declutter, but it's just really old at this point, so it has to be thrown out. It is the Main Choice, I said that, Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment. This reminded me a lot of the Bounce Curl Deep Conditioner. I really liked this. I believe this brand is sold in Target. I just feel like I never see this product in particular, but it's something I would definitely pick up again if I saw it in stores. And then something that kind of flew under the radar from the main choice was this 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh conditioner. I feel like I'm very opinionated about 3-in-1 conditioners, but when something has to do so much, like what is it doing effectively? It's supposed to be like good enough to condition your hair with, but then also, but at the same time, it's not too heavy so you can like leave it in your hair. I don't know. So this wasn't something that I reached for, and at this point it is very old, so I think, oh yeah, it doesn't smell great. So it's gonna have to go in the trash, unfortunately. Another product that I don't love, but I think someone else might, because first of all, Curlsmith is one of my favorite curl brands. This is the Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. I just don't really co-wash my hair, so I don't have a need for it. And also this formula is like a tad bit too heavy for my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to give this to somebody else. I feel like my brother might like this with his hair because it's a little bit more coarse in texture than mine is. All right, and then last but not least is the Sgx Nyc Do It All Spray. I do really like this. I just have a couple of these laying around and I don't need them, so I'm going to give this to a friend. Fortunately, I don't know where the cap is. I lose all of my caps, and then when I travel, I get so annoyed because things are constantly like leaking in my suitcase. Benny's doing a rotation in Manhattan right now, so I'm like going back and forth between the apartment in New York and home, and I think it was like, I forget, I think it was hairspray, but it wasn't even mine. I think it was Vin's, but like literally got smushed in the bag and just like got all over my pillow. So I was like, cool, cool, cool. Anyway, totally irrelevant. It's a nice lightweight finishing product for your hair, so I really enjoy it, mostly as like a texture spray. What does it say that it's supposed to do? Refreshes, enhances texture, and finishes with a light hold. Yeah, I definitely say it is a very light hold. Just kind of like zhuzh your hair up a little bit. I don't really use this as a dry shampoo, more so as a texture spray, but for that, I think it is very nice. All right, guys, so those are all of the products that are currently getting the boot. I'd love to know what you've tried lately that you either don't love or do love. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Have an amazing rest of your week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time.